Morning guys! So, happy Saturday. Hintay lang tayo ng Grab kasi punta tayo ng spin class. So, before mag-workout, bilang ko ng saging. Ayun, so samahan niyo ako for this Saturday.
Wanna be the one to heal your heart, let me mend it. I won't be, you won't be far. Let me heal all your scars, let me love all your flaws, give you all love.
Done with the class. Sa Salcedo Market kami. Nawala kasi audio kanina. Oo. Scored our barbecue! Uwi na. Hi guys! So, nakauwi na. Kapagod for 9 AM class. So, ito lang yung haul ko from the Salcedo Market. Pumili ako ng barbecue as a barbecue boy. Hotdog, tsaka dalawang pork barbecue for brunch. So, magba-brunch na ako. Kasi, nilinis ako ng condo, tsaka matutulog ako. Pagod ako. At, hinatian ako ng ate ko ng saging. So, yun lang. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye-bye. Long weekend. Walang pasok ng Monday. Bye-bye.